DJT Stock, is this the right time to buy? Going to answer everything around this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And overall, it's retracing down 3% today. Now, generally speaking, I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And the only guy that's calling 1,800% increases in price for free on my YouTube channel, you know, I'm talking, there is no paid freaking Patreon. With DJT specifically, what I'm going to do is just come here to the daily chart and just tell you that my drawings got deleted, but this is like let me show you the previous video. Right, so look at this.
DJT.
This was made 15th of January.
Stock is this.
I was in a winning opportunity, but like somehow everything got deleted. Here's again a proof of every freaking thing. But if the price reaches a point here, then that's going to be a TP and a +3R. If it reaches like the break-even point, approximately there, yeah, then, you know, there's two outcomes that this thing can go. My bias is to take things up. Other than that, like in the meantime, I'm waiting and actually open to taking even more buys if the price comes down and gives me rules. But right now, the only thing that I'm realistically waiting for is this actually delivering. And if it does not, it's cool. So I'm sending an email daily, free sauce. You're not going to want to miss out the tomorrows. So if you want to check that for free and I have a paid Patreon, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.